Leftover porridge. My grandfather used to eat leftover porridge at night. I could see why. It's damn good. May not look like much, but it's wonderful. It's like meat. This is a mixture of oats, Red River cereal, and cream of wheat, which I swore I would never eat. It's not bad. I hope I'm not making too much noise as I eat. Oh, that's what I mean. And after this, it's almost gone. Gonna have a cigarette. I'll tell you, a man can live on porridge alone. I'm noticing I'm getting some cracks on my lips. Just because none of the food banks give out fruit. Beggars can't be choosy. I don't feel like a beggar right now. I feel like a king. It's wonderful. Done. So I had for breakfast, I had for supper. Look at these big arms. Anyway. I'm gonna have myself actually a pipe. It's easy to light up a pipe and roll a cigarette. This tobacco I'm using here, it's all butts. I go butt picking just about every day. Today it rained, so the butts won't be that good. So I'll let them dry out. I'm getting better at being able to distinguish between the butts that have been out in the weather too long and the butts that have not been out in the weather too long. One of the key things is that if you pick up a butt and it burns you, then you know you got a fresh butt. And I've done it. I've done it. Sometimes people leave great big butts. God bless you, Montreal. Well, maybe not God, but me. I bless you, Montreal. Oh.